पढ़ो थोड़ा सा।
Okay, students, open page number 8, Jolly Grammar 1. And now Hassan is going to read all the words and you are all going to listen. What happened in your hand, Hassan? What happened? I can't see.
मैम बताओ।
Is everything okay?
बताओ मैम, मुझे चिकन पॉक्स है।
Oh, my baby. It's okay, Hassan. It's okay. You would be fine. Okay? आप ठीक हो जाएंगे। कोई बात नहीं, सबको हो जाते हैं। ओके, डोंट वरी, सबको हो जाते हैं।
पढ़ो। चलो अब आप स्टार्ट करो।
Are you comfortable? Hassan, are you comfortable? Page number 8.
8
Okay,
ओके। मी
starting. Okay, Rama and Mustafa and Laiba, please listen. Okay, good.
हाँ जी, यही है पेज नंबर 8। स्टार्ट करो रीडिंग। आप मैम ने कहा है आपको करें।
Yes, page number 8. Yes,
Leg.
very good. Walaikum assalam, Hunain. Okay. Okay, Hassan, listen. Beta, listen. Hassan, just a minute, listen carefully. You know that in last class, we started reading from the eyes. Do you remember? Without blending. Now, I'm training you to start reading without blending, okay?
हाँ
Now, don't...
हाँ हसन, आपको पता है, आप करें।
Yes, read
चलो।
from your eyes, okay?
देखो। दुपट्टे को कैसे ऐसे नहीं बोलना, डायरेक्ट बोलना वर्ड को। देखो।
Very good, Hunain. Good, very good.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
Very good. Excellent, Hassan. Okay, next word. Page number 8, grammar 1. Okay?
Grammar 1.
ओके, आप स्टार्ट करो। नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट करो हसन। हाँ हाँ हाँ, यहाँ देखिए, और इसको फिर मैम को बताओ।
Okay, next word.
यस। हाँ, फिर से रिपीट करो। यस। नेक्स्ट वर्ड देखें। हसन, नेक्स्ट वर्ड देखो। नेक्स्ट वर्ड देखिए, बुक से देखे ना, तो ये भी बताएं। हाँ जी, बताएं।
Lot.
यस, गुड, वेल डन, शाबाश। ओके।
Locks.
नो।
Land.
Okay, very good, Hassan. Now, everyone open page number... Wait, I will tell you. Now, open page number 28.
आ गया
28. Number 1, page number 28. Everyone, okay? Okay, students, this is A with magic E. Do you remember? Whenever we are having A with magic E, its sound is A. Its sound is louder, everyone.
क्या?
A.
बोलो।
A. Okay.
बोलो ए।
Okay. Now, everyone, one by one, I will call you and you are going to read the words and you are going to write the words. अब आपने अपनी लिस्ट वर्ड्स को रीड करना है और राइट डाउन करना है, ओके? रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, ओके? A with magic E. Wait, Hassan. Wait, please wait. Listen, I will call you one by one, turn by turn, okay? Okay, first turn, Shahzain. Which word is this? Read this
Shazan,
word.
now read this one. What is this? Read this one, Shazan. This one. Good boy. हाँ हाँ.
Red.
Very good, excellent. Okay, now next word again, Shahzain. Your read this word.
Shazan पढ़ो. हाँ 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 है हाँ हाँ हाँ. Good. Speak loudly.
Very good, excellent, very good boy. Okay, next word is for Laiba. Laiba, read this one. Okay, Laiba, read this word. Laiba, I can't hear you. Are you there?
Scar.
Very good, excellent. Okay, then next word yours. Okay, next word is for Rahma. Rahma, listen carefully. We are going to say it as per the sounds, okay? A sound, because we have got a magic key, okay? Yes, Rahma? Right. Wow, excellent. I'm very happy. Very good. Okay, next is for Mustafa.
पढ़ो. तो मैजिक ई है तो ये ए क्या हो जाएगा? मैजिक ई इसको ए को क्या बना देगा? मुस्तफा.
Very good, excellent. Okay, next word is for Hassan. Hassan, read this word. Very good, Hassan. Okay, now we have got two tricky words. Everyone is going to read them. All of you read those two tricky words.
All. Well done. Next.
Old.
All.
Okay, Mustafa and Laiba, you also read only in old.
All.
Mustafa, Laiba, say it.
Man, ये क्या है?
Old.
Very good, excellent. Rama, please say the tricky words.
मेरे बिस्किट में वो लेके आया. अच्छा चलो गया.
Very good, Hunain. It's good that you are writing as well. Okay,
Ball. वो क्या है? This ball.
only old.
क्या है?
Okay, next word. Let's see who can read it quickly. Who can be the winner?
चलो मैं आपको बताऊँ. बताइए हसान उसका
Baseball.
Very good, excellent.
Baseball.
Very good.
Baseball.
Very good.
Baseball.
Very good. Very good. Wonderful. Okay, guys. Now you have got 2 minutes. Look at the grapes. Can you see some letters written over here? Now you just have to write down the magic key and the A sound. Okay. Start working. Read and write on your page number 28.
Write in copy.
Yes. On your notebook. If you don't have your book, you can write on your notebook. Unen.
Or water.
Go and see the page from Shahzain, okay? You have to write down in the grapes. Okay, Mustafa and Shahzain and Laiba, everyone write down and then we start dictation, okay?
मिस फातिमा क्या करना है मुझे समझ नहीं आई.
This is page number 28 on the grammar 1. So if you don't have the book, you can also write down on the piece of paper. Okay.
Okay.
I will share the picture on the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ वैसे बता दो मैम को अगर आप राइट नहीं कर रहे
मैम राइट नहीं कर रहा।
ओके हसान, इट्स ओके, आप ठीक हो जाएंगे ना, फिर आप राइटिंग कर लेंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल।
थैंक यू मैम।
वेलकम।
अच्छा वैसे बताओ ये क्या
Okay, for Rama and Hunain, I have sent the page to the WhatsApp. Okay, it's grammar 1, and you have to write down in the grades.
Yes, teacher. I'm seeing from Shazan book.
Okay, good.
हाँ वैसे बताओ ये क्या है
अच्छा. This is the word. This is the page we have to do. And I can make it. ये है
इसको अब इसको भी पढ़ के बताओ
पहला एक पहला you know the rule for magic
These are ruined.
wait क्या
Done.
नहीं आप पढ़ सकते हैं एक पढ़ यहाँ क्या
Whenever you're writing something, you have to read it, okay? Read and write, okay?
I have done.
Good, very good if you are done. Excellent. I'm also
Okay, teacher, thanks.
going to write the words over here for those who are not having the books, okay? You can see the words here. Cake, plate,
Teacher, what is meaning of flame?
yes,
Of flame.
flame. You know that when you lit something, um, like on the stove, you lit some fire. So the flames are coming in this category. Okay, got it? Flames of fire. Okay,
Yes.
good. Write down and say the words. It's very important to say it. Okay, then we'll start our dictation.
कौन सी मैम? अब बताओ, बोलो. इसको देखो, मैं वो शॉप से नहीं मंगवाती. ओके.
Everything okay, Hassan? I think you're not feeling well. It's okay. You can take rest, Hassan. What happened, Hassan? It's okay. You can take rest.
ओके मैम. तो मैम मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास लूँगा इंशाल्लाह. नेक्स्ट.
Okay, okay. Okay, goodbye. Allah
तो
Hafiz,
अल्लाह
Hassan.
हाफिज़.
Take care. Allah Hafiz. You can see recording, okay?
ओके
You can see
मैम.
recording. Goodbye.
ओके मैम.
Allah Hafiz. Zainab. Yes, Rahma, I can also revise the concept of magic key for everyone, because in the next few weeks we are going to do lots of magic key words. Okay, and students, everyone, you are going to revise lots of words, because in the next few weeks we are going to have lots of reading as well. So it's a concept of magic key, and you can do it with other sounds as well. Let me write down the vowel sounds over here. Okay, so Rahma and everyone else, look at the vowel sounds over here. These are the short sound a, e, o, a. But whenever there is a magic key at the end of a word, the sound is long. Okay? Okay, now everyone is going to read with me one by one. Okay? A with magic key makes A. Everyone say it. A with magic key.
A.
Good. E with magic key.
A.
E. E.
E with magic key. E. I with magic key. I. O with magic key. O. U with magic key. U. Very good. Now we are going to make some words with them. Okay?
Just keep it.
Okay. Now, her at. Just put a magic key at the end. What is it then?
A.
Her at. And if we put a magic key over here, it is,
A.
everyone say it. Her at hat. With magic key it is. Louder. Her it. Okay. Now look at this. Read everyone.
Apple.
Now
कौन बोलो ना? Apple.
I am going to put the magic key over here. It's a long sound now. It's E.
E.
Okay, next. It. Read this word, everyone. It. With the magic key, it is kite. Okay. Her op. With the magic key, it is. Laiba, are you here?
No, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please read this word?
Yes, ma'am.
O.
E. Ho.
Very good. When we have a magic word, we don't say it. We will say it like this. Her op. Okay?
Give me that.
बात.
ये तो मेरा है. मुस्तफा, ये तो मेरा है. क्या खा रहे हो?
अभी क्लास है. अभी क्लास.
Okay. Next, Laiba, can you read this word? Magic word.
What, ma'am?
This word, magic word. Cute.
Cute.
You.
Very
Cute.
good. Excellent.
You?
Okay. Now everyone is ready for the dictation.
Yeah.
Okay. Get ready for dictation,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone. We have dictation for this. Okay. The first word is.
Anika.
The first word is made. Made. Magic word made. Aid. Aid. Hurry up. Made. Write down made. Good.
Mommy.
कलर कहाँ है? चलो लिखो यहाँ रखो राइट डाउन
Okay, okay. I know, I know. I know. छोटा और बड़ा.
small a ठीक है इसके साथ ज्वाइन करके इधर इधर चल जहाँ डॉट्स बताया वहाँ लिखो पहले ए लिखो
Okay, done everyone?
Yes, teacher. I have done.
Excellent. Ready for next word? First word was ape. Now you can also check your word. If it has any mistake, check your work, okay? Is it correct? If it's not correct, it's okay. You can also correct it now, okay? Okay, now I have just uploaded a video on the channel. You can also watch it of the magic key, okay? I will share the link with everyone. So if you have any problem, and Nida, you can also show that video to Rahma, okay? And I will also play the song for Rahma, okay? No worries.
Okay.
Inshallah, with lots of revision, she
Now
would
made.
learn this concept, okay?
Made. Now write down made. Made. Come on. Yalla بسرعة. Made. Down. Here.
Okay. Now next word is scrape. Scrape. Write down scrape. Scrape. Scrape.
Go लिखना है. Go. यहाँ लिखो. Yes. नहीं. Okay. Go.
Okay, everyone has written this word. Scrape. Done. It's very easy. I hope.
Yes, teacher, I have wrote it like this.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, number 3. Now it's very easy. It's scrap, not scrape. It's scrap. Write down scrap. Then we will have a sentence, okay?
Teacher, can you please tell me the word again?
Yes, it's very easy. You have just wrote scrape. Now write down scrap. Scrap. Okay, done. Okay, now it's a sentence.
It is same spelling. Scrap.
Yes, a bit different. Like with scrape, we have to write the magic key, and with scrap, there is no magic key, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Now we have to do the dictation of the sentences. Everyone, it's very easy sentence. Start with a capital letter. Dad made a cake. Dad, it's very easy. Dad made a cake. Full stop. This is how you write dad. Okay, dad made a cake. Okay, students, it was very easy. Everyone has done this. Dad made a cake.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, very good.
I sent
Now
it.
check. Good. Okay, please check your work, everyone.
I have done good work. I sent it. Lafis, ma'am.
Where are you going? You are going, Laiba, somewhere? Laiba, hello. We have one more sentence. The gate is open. Everyone write down. The gate is open.
The gate is open.
Yes, the gate is open. Laiba, are you there? Okay, it's okay, Laiba. If you can't work at the moment, you can see the recording, okay? If you are busy and if you have to go.
बता दो मुझे, बोलो यस मैम बोल दो, बोलो डोंट बी शाय, कुछ नहीं हुआ, गलती हो
It's
गई,
okay.
डोंट बोल दो यस मैम हम हियर, बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good girl, okay? I will also send a recording for you, okay? Now we have got the next sentence. The gate is open. Dear parents, I want to have a word with you, just 1 minute. I think everyone is listening. Nilma and Niza and Amreen and
Yes.
okay. Actually, I wanted to say that in this time, in this month, we are rushing in this book of Jolly Grammar because I know that after summer vacations, many of the students would be joining schools and they would be having less time. So I am skipping some of the pages from Grammar 1 that is quite easy, and they can also do it over the weekend. And later, if we get any time, we'll do those pages of Grammar 1. I'm also going to skip some of the difficult grammar concepts for some young children, for our young children like Mustafa and Shazan and Rahma. But for difficult concepts of grammar like the verbs and uh, tenses and the pronouns, we are going to cover them in the grammar class tomorrow, inshallah. All of the older students like Hunain and Laiba and Rayan, we are going to have some other older students as well. So for younger ones, we are going to focus on the spellings and basic concepts of grammar. Besides, at this stage of students, it's very important for them to read lots of decodable materials. So if it's not easy for you to find, I can share some links of some free decodable readers, e-readers as well. And if anyone is able to find any e-reader that is also decodable, not the words with very much irregular spelling, so please share with the others in the group as well, so that the children are reading at this time. Now they should start reading from their eyes without lots of blending, because we want them to be fluent now. So I hope that I have made it clear. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I was very
Yes.
quick. I was very quick. So I will share some decodable apps and some decodable readers. So you can build this idea in their mind that they have to do lots of reading and it's fun to read. So they don't feel that it is just they're just reading in the classroom and the reading is only for the study purpose. So they should have this idea that they can enjoy reading now. Okay. And they can also share with me.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. They can also share with me that they have done a reading of this book or that book. Okay. So it was our sentence. The gate is open. The gate is open. So you can check your spelling mistakes if any. And we have the last sentence. She was late. Last sentence, number 3. She was late. And if any student is facing any problem, you can ask me. She is a tricky word. She was late. We are having all the words with the magic key, okay? Do share your dictation samples with me through WhatsApp.
Okay, teacher, we will.
Okay, everyone is done with she was late.
Yes, teacher, I have done. She was
Very
late.
good. Very good. Excellent. If you have done your work, you can leave and you can just share the picture with me through the WhatsApp. Okay? Okay, students? You can share the picture with me. Mustafa and Laiba and Shazin. Everyone, complete your sentences and send me the picture. Okay?
Say okay, teacher.
Oh, teacher. I see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, students. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.